Hello students, my name is Ghadge and I am from Department of Business Economics. Today we are going to discuss basics of indifference curve topic. Now as we all know, we have limited income that we earn and we cannot buy everything that we desire and that we want. So we must choose between different goods that are available in the market. So every choice gives us some satisfaction level, and the indifference curve helps us to understand the how consumers make their choices, how they get equal satisfaction from different combinations of goods. Now first of all we will understand the meaning of indifference curve. An indifference curve shows different combinations of two goods, and all combinations give same level of satisfaction. Consumer is indifferent between these combinations. The indifference curve shows different combinations of two goods that gives equal satisfaction to the consumer. For example, we consider tea plus coffee. So tea and coffee combinations gives a satisfaction remains which remains equal. So same level of satisfaction derived by consuming the combination of tea and coffee. Now certain assumptions are there of indifference curve. First assumption is consumer is rational. Second is consumer makes logical choices. Next one is preferences are clear and consistent. Next one is only two goods are considered. And last one is consumer wants maximum satisfaction. Now as you can see the in the graph that on vertically we have taken good Y or commodity Y, and horizontally we have taken good X or commodity X. Now good X axis shows good X and Y axis shows good Y. The curve indifference curve, that is IC, is an indifference curve where each point on indifference curve gives same level of satisfaction. When good X is increases, good Y is decreases. Now it means that we are substituting good X and good Y, where when and as and when I want to consume more of good X, I must decrease good Y. Why? Because as we have seen already initially that we are having a limited level of income. So out of limited income we have to manage. So therefore we have to select such combination which allows us to buy a commodity in given limited income. So consumer gives up some of good Y to get more of good X, and vice versa. The curve slopes downward from left to right, as you can see over here, and therefore consumer is indifferent between all those points on the curve, and therefore satisfaction remains unchanged at every point on IC. That is what indifference curve, that you can take any combination or any point on the indifference curve which always showing the same level of satisfaction level. That is what indifferent consumption, indifferent satisfaction. So moving along the curve, which means it is giving up on good to gain more of another good without changing satisfaction. So therefore on each and every point or any point on indifference curve we get same level of satisfaction out of different combinations. So what is the changing pattern over here? That only combination is changing but satisfaction remains indifferent. Thank you.